Hi dear friends, how are you all? Welcome to our YouTube channel HR Tutorials India. In our previous videos, we have discussed about managerial functions and operative functions. Now in this video, we will be discussing about strategic functions of human resource management. What are the strategic functions of human resource management? Strategic function can also be called as advisory function of human resource management. Strategic function is the last function of human resource management. Strategic or advisory function of human resource management is the function which deals with top level management and department head level management. Human resource management is expert in its area and so can give advice on matters relating to human resources of the organization, which means human resource management plays a vital role in advising the top level management as well as department level management, because human resource management is an expert in its area of human resource. So with this experience, human resource management plays a vital role in advisory to the top level management. Let us now see the different functions of strategic function of human resource management. Strategic or advisory function of human resource management are broadly divided into two functions. One is top level management function and department level management function. Let us now see in detail the two functions of strategic or advisory function of human resource management. Advice to top level management. Personnel manager advises to the top level management in formulation and evaluation of personnel programs, policies and procedures. He also gives advice for achieving and maintaining good human relations and high employee morale. Advice to departmental heads. Personnel manager advises the heads of various departments on matters such as manpower planning, job analysis, job design, recruitment, selection, placement, training, and performance appraisal, etc. In the first function, advice to top level management, it says that personnel managers having experience in human resource management advise to the top level management with regards to formulation and evaluation of personnel programs, policies, designing and implementing the policies of the company, and also the procedures which need to be followed in an organization for the betterment of projects, and also in achieving and maintaining the good human relations with the company in maintaining the employee morale. Then the advice to departmental heads by the personnel manager or human resource managers helps in maintaining the departments in a standard way, which helps in planning the manpower in a right way, designing the job analysis of job, recruitment and selection of right resource for the project, then training the resource as per the requirement, and also helps in appraising the employees in performance appraisal. This will help the employees keep motivated in all the departments. So dear friends, I hereby conclude that we have understood the two different strategic functions of human resource management. If you have any queries or questions, please comment in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer all your queries. If you like this video, please subscribe and share among your friends. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.